Good morning to all. Now today our topic is vouchers. In the previous video, we have already discussed about the source document of accountancy and various source of documents like cash memo, receipt, debit note, credit note, pay slip, check, etc. Now this is the last topic of chapter source document of accountancy, that is vouchers. Now what do you mean by vouchers? What is the role of vouchers? What are the various types of vouchers? That we'll discuss in today's video. Now what do you mean by voucher? A voucher is an accounting document representing an internal intent to make a payment to an external entity such as a vendor or service provider. So a voucher is basically used to make the payment to an external entity or external person. It's called voucher. Now before preparing any voucher, it must be supported by a source document. And you know which kind of source document? Cash memo, receipt, debit note, credit note, check, pay slip, all are the source of document. And on the basis of source of document, we have to prepare voucher. And on the basis of voucher, we have to make the entry in the journal. So third point is, it is prepared for the purpose of recording transaction in the books of original entry, that is called journal. It put emphasis on which account is to be debited and which account is to be credited. Now this is the most important point, that in voucher we have to mention which account is to be debited and which account is to be credited. And I am repeating again that voucher is prepared on the basis of source document, and after the preparation of voucher we have to record the transaction for the first time in the books of accounts, that is called journal. Now types of voucher. Voucher are of two types, cash vouchers and non-cash vouchers. Non-cash voucher is also known as transfer voucher. Now cash voucher is further divided into two vouchers, that is debit vouchers and credit vouchers. Now what do you mean by cash voucher? Cash voucher are prepared for cash transaction, that is for cash receipt and cash payment. So if the firm is doing any kind of cash receipt or cash payment, then they have to prepare cash voucher. So there are two types of cash voucher, debit voucher and credit voucher. Debit vouchers are prepared for transaction involving cash payment. So whenever the firm are doing any cash payment, then they have to prepare debit voucher and it is a part of cash voucher. And credit voucher, these are prepared for transaction involving cash receipt. Now second is non-cash voucher. These vouchers are prepared for non-cash transaction. So we can say those vouchers which are prepared for transfer transaction or for non-cash transaction, or we can say for credit transaction, then they are considered as a non-cash voucher. So cash voucher is for cash transaction and it is divided into two parts. Debit voucher is for payment and credit voucher is for receipt. And non-cash voucher is for non-cash transaction, that is called transfer voucher. After that there is one more voucher, that is called compound voucher. A document showing a transaction that contain multiple debit and one credit or multiple credit, one debit is called as compound voucher. So means in which more than one debit and one credit and more than one credit and one debit is called as compound voucher. Now compound voucher is further divided into two types, debit voucher and credit voucher. Debit voucher means which contain multiple debit and one credit. For example, suppose two expenses we paid in cash. So both the expenses related to rent and salary. So rent will be debited, salary will be debited and both paid in cash. So cash will be credited. So what will be the general entry? Rent account debit, salary account debit to cash account. So it is clearly identified that rent and salary is debited and cash is credited. So two are debiting and one is crediting. So it is called debit voucher. And credit voucher in which more than two credit and only one debit, that is called credit voucher. and these both are the example of compound voucher. So in short, voucher is used for making the external payments. It is prepared on the basis of source document, and voucher is of two types, cash and non-cash. Cash is further divided into two parts, debit voucher and credit voucher. And second one is non-cash voucher. After that, one compound voucher is there which contain multiple debit and credits, in which there are two types, that is called debit voucher and credit voucher. So this is the end of this chapter, that is source documents of accountancy, in which we discuss the source document, and the second topics, the vouchers and the type of vouchers. Thank you so much.